In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method in Hostinger. Let's get started right from the Hostinger homepage. Open your browser and go to Hostinger's website. From there, head to My Account. At the top of the page to access your account area. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in first. Once you're in, you'll be taken to hPanel, Hostinger's control panel, where all your account settings live. Inside hPanel, look for the billing section. This is where you manage everything related to charges and subscriptions. Open billing to see options for invoices, subscriptions, and what we need today. Payment methods. To focus on adding a new way to pay, switch to the payment methods area. Here, you'll see any methods you've already saved and which one is currently set as the default for renewals. Now, click Add Payment Method. This opens a window where you can choose how you want to pay. Depending on your country and currency, you'll typically see options like credit or debit card, digital wallets, or other local payment solutions. Pick the option that best suits you. If you're adding a card, make sure it's enabled for online and international purchases and that it hasn't expired. Next, enter your details carefully. For cards, that usually means the cardholder name, as it appears on the card number, expiration date, and the security fumusud on the back. If you're asked for a billing address, use the address your bank has on file. Mismatches can cause declines. Take a moment to double-check every field for typos before you proceed. When everything looks correct, click the button to add the card or confirm the payment method. You might be redirected to your bank's 3D Secure or a verification page to approve the addition. Complete that approval promptly and never share one-time passwords with anyone. After verification, you should see a confirmation in hPanel and your new payment method will appear in the list. If you want this method to be used for future renewals, look for the option to set it as the default. That helps ensure domains and hosting plans renew on time without manual payments. If you're replacing an old card, you can remove the outdated one to keep your account tidy. If you run into errors, try a different browser, disable strict blockers, just stop just for the verification step, or contact your bank to allow online transactions. That's it. Your payment method is now added and ready to use in Hostinger.